All right, you guys, I am so excited to bring you another Temu haul. This is a back to school slash kind of like fall favorites haul from Temu. And thank you to Temu, first of all, for sending me these items and allowing me to show them all to you because I picked out some awesome things. If you don't know what Temu is, first of all, where have you been? But second of all, you should definitely check it out. I highly recommend. I've ordered from Temu many times. I absolutely love it. They have extremely affordable prices and they literally have everything under the sun. They have clothing, shoes, jewelry, crafting items, storage and organization items, kitchen items, clothing, kids' clothes, all of the above. Okay, so if you're looking for something, check Temu first. Their prices cannot be beat, I promise you. If you are a new user, you will also get a discount if you use the link in my description, or if you use the code also listed in my description. I will also put my code right here on the screen. For brand new users, you will get a $100 coupon bundle as well as 50% off your entire first order. That's an amazing deal. Make sure you use my link or my code. That will help me out a little bit as well. All the info that you need is down in the description box below. And if you like anything in this haul, everything will be linked below for you. Temu has free shipping, free returns, and the best part about Temu is they have price adjustments. So what that means is if you buy an item today, and then 10 days from now, that item drops by $1, you can go in, you can request a price adjustment, and they will credit you that $1 to your credit balance. Amazing, right? That is one of my favorite things about Temu. I definitely recommend downloading and using the app. That is my favorite way to shop on Temu. And let's just get going. Here's my package. So let's see what I picked out here. Once again, these are going to be pretty much staples for fall for me, and I will have all of the information below. I don't have prices handy in front of me, but I will put the pricing on the screen when I, am showing you the items. All right, so first I got these sneakers. Now I've had my eye on these for quite a while. They did come in several colors. I chose the white because I just kind of thought like a simple, white shoe, it kind of goes with everything. I wanted the gray, but I don't think they had the gray in my size. These are a size 40, so I'm not sure what size that equated to. I will put it here on the screen, but they are like a knit kind of sneaker, so they are a little bit stretchy. They feel like they're going to be super comfortable, and they're really cute and simple, and they'll just, like I said, go with everything. So very cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just try these on real quick. And the laces are real. At first I thought they were maybe decorative, but they are real, so they will, tighten and everything like that. I don't have socks on, but let me just go ahead and try these on. Oh yeah. These feel like they would be great to actually wear without socks too. So whatever you want to do, but right away, as soon as I slip them on, they feel so comfortable. So let me throw these on, and then I will definitely add in a screenshot here of how they look. All right, you guys, these are definitely a win. They are super duper comfortable, and I actually feel like they kind of give me a little bit of height also. Like I feel like the bottom is just a little bit chunky, but very comfortable. Now, one thing, they're not really like too squishy here, but regardless, like I said, I think these are going to be super comfortable to wear, all day long or whatever. And I feel like I might need these in some other colors. So those are 8+. All right, next we have some sunglasses. I don't know about you, but I can never have too many sunglasses. And actually my current glasses are pretty old and kind of like really worn out. So I picked these up. I don't know if they're gonna look good on me or not, but let's see. So they are a clear kind of sort of like tan, brown, mauve-y color. And here's what they look like. Let's check them out. Yeah, I mean, I think they're pretty cute. They definitely look like they will block out the sun. These particular ones did not come with a case or anything. They just came in a clear bag, but these are super cute for sure. I will definitely get a lot of wear out of these. And as I said, if you like this style of sunglasses, everything will be linked below in the description box. Next, I did get a couple shirts. Let's see what we have here. All right, so this color is listed as gray. I got a size XL, and it is just a long sleeve shirt. It's kind of an ombre feel with like a sort of like a heathered look here. It's very soft. It's pretty stretchy. And yeah, just a simple, you know, t-shirt that will go with kind of everything. It'll be a staple. It does have cuffs here at the bottom. I love this. I hope this fits me. I think it will. And then let's just show you the other one, and then I'll try these on really quick. So this one is listed as red, and this is also in an XL. Another long sleeve. This is really soft. Okay, and this one I liked the bottom here. So you could see it's kind of got a curve and then some buttons. I just thought that was a cute little detail. I know they did have this one in other colors. I don't remember about the gray one, but I'm sure they probably did. So this one is like, you know, a little bit dressier. I'm not gonna call this a dressy shirt, but I don't know. I think this would be cute with some leggings or something like that. So let me go ahead and try these on for you really quick. All right, so here's the first one, and I absolutely love it. This feels like more of a slim fit to me. I absolutely love the way it fits. I wouldn't want it to shrink anymore. You could see it is kind of like hugging me a little bit, but that doesn't bother me. If it was, you know, tighter, then I wouldn't like that. But this is a perfect fit. The sleeves are a perfect length. I love the cuff. And yeah, like I said, I think this is just gonna be a, you know, a staple long sleeve shirt that can kind of go with anything for this fall. Let me throw on the other one. All right, you guys, yet another win. I love this shirt. I love that little curve in the front. The buttons I think are super cute. The fit is great. The sleeves are a little bit long, but that doesn't bother me. I wouldn't want to size down on this or anything like that. I think it's a pretty perfect fit. So, you know, another shirt that is going to be pretty much a staple in my fall wardrobe. Now, you guys have seen, you know, I have other Temu hauls on my channel. I am so impressed by Temu's clothing. I absolutely love it. Pretty much everything I've gotten from Temu has just been like super great quality. You know, the fit is there, everything. And a lot of the stuff they have in many colors, so, you know, you can choose whatever you like. So yeah, if you're kind of on the fence about trying clothing from Temu, I'm here to tell you, just give it a try, because all of their clothing has been awesome. And if it doesn't fit or you don't like it, free returns. All right, so last item here that I picked up, this is something I just happened to see and thought it was super cute and, you know, kind of useful as well. It is this Macrame keychain, and the color is listed as Boho light green. They did have this in quite a few colors. And right now I have like a silicone kind of like bracelet thing on my keys, but I don't actually wear it as a bracelet. So I think I'm gonna replace it with this. I just think this is super cute and, you know, simple. This is like basically my favorite color, like a sage green. So yeah, I mean, you know, not much to say about this. It can definitely fit around my wrist if I wanted to wear my keys on my wrist, but I don't. It has, you know, the clip here, so I don't have to have the hassle of dealing with like, all right, so I'm sure you saw my husband come down. So anyway, it has this clip, so I don't need to try to have the hassle of getting like a keychain on here. It just, you know, opens up really easily. It sticks right in there. So yeah, I'm gonna go put this on my keys today. And that is it for the haul. So I hope you love everything. Let me know below. Once again, if you're interested in any of these items, they are all linked down below for you. You just need to click on the link. If you're going to do any shopping on Temu, I would love it if you would use my link or my coupon code. So you can either copy and paste my link and go right to Temu through my link, or use my coupon code at checkout and get your discounts if you're a new user. I guess that's about it. I look forward to bringing you all more hauls. You all know I have more orders on the way. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!